everybody, this is Noelle from Petitti Garden Centers, and we have decorated for fall. And we just wanted to show you that you can decorate for fall very easily, and there's so many beautiful things out there that you can use for your fall decorating. And it's everything from the standard things like corn stalks, straw bales, fall mums, sure, but there are so many more beautiful things. There are super cal petunias. If you've never grown a super cal petunia, they're not only awesome during the growing season, but they have these like bonfire colors that are French vanilla and cinnamon and all these kind of cool fall colors, and they last forever through fall. And of course you have pumpkins, of course we have celosia, we have cool grassy things like millet is right here, that's what I just showed you. And then of course you have things like the ornamental chili peppers. Just be careful because those babies are hot, spicy hot, except for chili. That's usually the mildest one, but I still think you get a pretty good spicy kick. So be aware, they can be eaten, but they are hot. And then here, that's that super cal. So that's that petunia. These petunias they're frost tolerant. So we've seen them with snow on them, like first snow, it melts, they're still blooming out there. So they are a really good, long-lasting petunia, self-cleaning, all those good things that all the newer petunias do. Got a little bit of coleus for some foliage interest here too, but the grasses, the coral bells, all those things are really great to kind of add into your fall combinations. And then of course tuck in your front patio or porch display. So let's take a look. Obviously pumpkins, no problem. You can set pumpkins anywhere where you want some really nice space. We've got a couple of mini straw bales here with some lanterns. And again, look at the color. And we've got this beautiful white cabbage here. Some of the chili peppers are tucked in as well. And then of course, look at the coneflowers at this time of year. You can always throw some coneflowers in. And again, the birds will come up, they'll pick the seeds right out of the center, no problem whatsoever. As we come up, you can see the corn stalks. And so the corn stalks, what we did is we put them on the 3 pillars on the front of the house, just tied them on with twine, no problem whatsoever. So that's really easy, kind of softens those corners. And then look at, we have this beautiful combo again with the millet, fall mum. There are some violas tucked in here, so those are really cute. Give it a nice little soft, graceful look. And then look at that's that Lismachia or moneywort down here, okay? Creeping Jenny, sometimes we call it. And then look what we put in the mailbox. Don't water them in the mailbox, but we did put some of those super cal petunias right here in the mailbox. I forgot to mention, they are a cross between a petunia and a calibrachoa. That's where you get like that super cal name. Over here, look at the celosia. We're starting to use a lot more celosia in the fall. It's a great heat tolerant annual, but of course it'll continue to grow and do a really nice job, provide some really pretty fall colors, more fall mums. Look at the Hacknacloa grass. Okay, this is Japanese forest grass or waterfall grass, some people call it. But that color and just the nice waterfall texture really looks nice. And again, you can pop it into your display, no problem. And then if you need to water things, just take some of the pots out, go ahead and water them, bring them back, pop them in, no worries whatsoever. And right by Taylor, she's got a planter here where we've got a huge Dracaena. Can you see this, Taylor? So really big Dracaena spike in the center. And then again, more of those super cal petunias. And again, because they're on the porch, they might need a little bit more sun, so you can give them a vacation. You know, if you're going out for the day or what have you, put them out in the sun, bring them back in, throw them on the porch. And then because they're under cover, again, they're going to last a lot longer into fall. So just take the opportunity to check out all of the cool flowers and again, pumpkins and straw and corn stalks and all that good stuff that you can really decorate very, very easily. Start with the big elements first. So start with the big corn stalks first and the big straw bales first, and then kind of work your way. Larger mums, work your way down to smaller fall mums if you'd like. You can tuck in petunia baskets, you can tuck in some celosia, the chili peppers, the cabbage and the kale, and just enjoy your fall.